Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Skoda Kamiq SE. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the moon white and is in good condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior with a nice diamond stitching on the outer sides of the seats. The front passengers have their own armrest and two cup holders there in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And the car also has air conditioning as well as cruise control. And then on the right hand side there, you've got your automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally on the door card, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. The Kamiq's a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents as well as pockets in the rear of the front seats too. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor on this particular car, you have the factory option of the space saver spare wheels. That's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car over 5 years with up to no deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.